Making money online doesn't have to be a grind. In fact, there are some surprisingly easy ways to earn a little extra cash without breaking a sweat. Let's dive into some of the laziest methods that are perfect for beginners. First up, we have online surveys. Companies are always looking for consumer feedback, and they're willing to pay for it. Websites like Swagbucks or Survey Junkie let you sign up and start sharing your opinions on products and services. It's as simple as sitting on your couch with a snack, answering a few questions, and watching your earnings pile up. Sure, it won't make you a millionaire overnight, but it's an effortless way to earn some pocket money while binge-watching your favorite shows. Next on the list is cashback apps. If you're going to shop anyway, why not get paid for it? Apps like Rakuten or Ibotta give you cash back on purchases you make at popular retailers. Just link your credit card, shop as you normally would, and watch the cash roll in. It's like getting paid to do your grocery shopping or buy that new gadget you've been eyeing. No extra effort required. Then there's affiliate marketing. This one sounds fancy, but it's really just sharing links to products you love. If you have a blog, a social media account, or even just a group chat with friends, you can recommend products and earn a commission for every sale made through your link. It's a great way to monetize your online presence without having to create your own products. Just find a niche you're passionate about, sign up for affiliate programs, and start sharing. Another lazy way to make money is through print-on-demand services. If you've got a knack for design, you can create custom t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases without ever touching inventory. Platforms like Redbubble or Teespring handle the printing and shipping for you. You just upload your designs, and when someone buys your product, you earn a cut. It's a great way to express your creativity while making money in your sleep. Let's not forget about passive income through digital products. If you have expertise in a certain area, consider creating an ebook or an online course. Once it's made, you can sell it repeatedly without any extra work. Platforms like Gumroad or Udemy make it easy to set up your digital storefront. It's a bit of upfront work, but once it's done, you can sit back and watch the sales come in. Lastly, consider renting out your stuff. If you have tools, camera equipment, or even a spare room, you can rent them out on platforms like Fat Llama or Airbnb. It's a simple way to make money off things you already own. Just list your items, set your prices, and let the platform do the work for you. So there you have it. Making money online doesn't have to be a hustle. With these lazy methods, you can start earning without putting in too much effort. Whether it's taking surveys, cashback shopping, or selling digital products, there's something for everyone. Just pick what suits you best and start making that money.